Holy shit.
We interrupt this program to activate the emergency alert system for an Amber Alert. Be on the lookout for an abducted child from Jefferson County, Ohio. The child was last seen at 1108 Midway Street in Empire, Ohio. The suspect is believed to be driving a 2023 F650 26-foot U-Haul box truck with an Arizona license plate of AL74169. The suspect has been identified as Charles Alexander, a 43-year-old white male, 5 feet 8 inches tall, 205 pounds with brown hair, last seen wearing dark gray sweatshirt and blue jeans. The abducted child is Oakland Alexander, a 7-year-old white female with brown hair, last seen wearing a gray hoodie, black pants, and white shoes. Please call 1-877-AMBER-OH or dial 911 immediately or the suspect's vehicle. This concludes the emergency alert system message.
Oh my god. I swear, we just got one on Fridays for all of Ohio, and this is happening now.